Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set an Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings, scroll down until you stumble upon the apps category. Here go for the default app section, choose browser app, and here just select Opera, and from now on Opera will be your default browser on this device. So there is also the second way that you can set Opera as your default browser. In order to do that, just open up the application, click on this profile icon that you have on the bottom right corner. Here go for this gear icon, scroll down and look for this default browser section, tap on it, click on next, choose Opera and press on set as default. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.